2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, security system, compass, heated front seats, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.